Hi everyone, I am doing my first ever unboxing. I've got my first lot of personal care items that I ordered from wholesaleninjas.com, and yeah, used Lindy's coupon code to get that. So thank you, Lindy, for that. The boxes arrived mostly intact. There's a little bit of a rip here. So yes, I see a couple Colgate tooth. Seems like a super pack. I see some razors. That's exciting. Those are good sellers. And yes, I paid a total of $460 for this box after Lindy's. So there's, you can see there's two boxes. Those probably have liquids in them from what I know of other YouTubers. That's kind of how they pack stuff. So this box is looking super promising. Let's go ahead and get started. And I don't know what the sale prices of any of these items are because I don't sell personal care. I haven't sold any till now. And the dates are all, this one says expiry is 2021, so it's all valid stuff. I think that's good. And yeah, people are looking for this kind of stuff right now. So Wapo, cool sore throat stuff, and Mucinex. Oh yeah, that's gonna sell well. And this is 11/20. The expiry date on that is 11/20, so that's really good. Things are looking promising. So we'll keep working through our box here. This is going to sell. These personal care items are hot, and everyone staying home right now and not wanting to go to the store, these will sell really well on eBay or whatever your e-commerce platform is. And I see some mascara, so this is good. Yeah, false lashes mascara. I haven't seen this brand earlier. This is Catrice. I think that's gonna sell. More Gillette stuff in here. So and Beauty 360, I know that's a CVS brand, or is it a Target brand? I'm not too sure. These are Colgate toothbrushes. What is this? Pure aromatherapy balm. Yep, that should sell. People like that kind of stuff, and especially with everybody's routines right now messed up from staying at home. This is super heavy. Looks like feels like a soap bar to me. Nope, something else. Something fancier. Ooh, I like that. I might keep one of those for myself. Super cool. Bliss. I haven't heard of this brand, but super cool. It's a pack of 2 in there. Fun stuff. I'm liking it already. Bath bomb. Yeah, I've heard those are selling well right now as well. And so yes, I might lot these up together and sell them as one lot. So 2 of the bath bombs. What are these? Intervene. I need my glasses to read this. Moisture something. I can't really read that right now. I'll have to look at it later. Some kind of cream. Tiny little thing. So yeah, those, there seems to be 4 of those. Oh, gummies. Yeah, these are definitely, people are probably gonna buy this up pretty quickly. Omega-3 gummies. And I see some more medicated food drops. Those are all gonna sell really well. Dulcim, yeah, that's gonna sell for sure. Flu therapy fell out of the packet, but it's all in here. The packet just opened up, but it's intact. This is Professional Strength Lice Removal Kit. Oh, I think that's gonna sell really well. So large variety of items. Burnt Bees, that's an expensive brand. I know that much. I don't know how much any of these sell for. I see another Burnt Bees that says good through 4/4. I don't know what that means. It's gonna expire pretty soon, I think. But yeah, that's that. And this is just regular Colgate Cavity Protection toothpaste. And then this one is Max White strip. And more Delsum. Here. And more Colgate. And some more eyeliner things right here. And these are, I can't really tell what they are. It's something like some kind of makeup. I'll need to put my glasses on for that. These are shave sheets. But yeah, definitely new stuff for me to learn about and venture into. So I'm super excited to try this out. And again, I want to thank Lindy for her video, because watching her videos and how well she's been doing in March and April with all the personal care items, and with us all being stuck at home and people not venturing out into the stores as much, you know, I thought this is maybe something I should give it a shot. Hey, I have nothing to lose other than just $460. So yes, it's this lot of 300 items ended up being something like $480, I think. And then with the 15% coupon code and $48 of shipping that I paid, it ended up being $460. So my cost, you can say, is roughly $1.50 for each item. So there's 300 items in this box. This one is Crest Whitening Therapy, and this is some hair removing cream and some insect bug bite stuff relief. I know my daughter always wants, all these bugs seem to come and bite her. Makeup. I like that they've kind of bagged it up separately so as not to have it jumbled up with all the other items. Yeah, it's just packaged like that. It's a whole lot of makeup, so that's a lot of money right there. So yes, I will definitely be making my money back on this wholesale box. And yep, here's some more fish oil, and yeah, that sells for like $15-20, I'm sure. Oh, and one more lice removal kit right here. So that's, we'll have to look that up and see how that does. I'm sure it sells for a good price. So let's go ahead and look at our big boxes. This is some Clearasil. Yep, people want that. So that's all the stuff is going to sell for sure. Oh, some cute nail polish. 3-pack, and I see another 3-pack of the same nail polish right there. I am liking it. So far, I'm super happy with all the stuff. Some more makeup. This is going to be a fun adventure, venturing out into something new and listing something new. I mostly sell jewelry. I sell my crochet. And you want to give me a discount for the future? I will definitely take it. I won't say no. We're going to have to cut this box hold. So, activated charcoal oral rinse. I have no idea what that is. But yep, that's what it looks like. Lots of fun items. Ooh, ZZ NyQuil or something. Yeah, that's NyQuil. Yeah, that's gonna sell really well, I'm sure. I might have to put it in a box before I ship it. So yes, I see myself ordering a lot of little boxes. And cough syrup, some kind of cough syrup. You want to just kind of show this box. It's packed with deodorant. It's packed with oh, and there's face masks. in there, and lots of liquids. Everything very carefully packed. So that's really good. Everything has been very carefully packed. And this box is super heavy. But yep, tons of money. And yes, I was super careful. Once we got the delivery, we wiped the big boxes and I left them in my garage for 3 days. So, you know, to just kind of clear out any stuff that might be on them. Ooh, this is super nice. Gold Bond Overnight. That's gonna, I know those are pricey. And a lot of oral stuff and NyQuil. Again, the box is super packed, lots of things, and lots of multiples of the same thing, which is great. Then I just make one listing and I have multiples of the same thing to sell. You know, all this stuff is going to do so well on eBay right now with the current situation that we're in. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm not going to pull everything out. I do have one more box. This box came separately in the shipment, so this is my other part of makeup right here. So seems to be like Maybelline. Yeah, I see a lot of Maybelline in here. So, yep, this is all Maybelline stuff, but lots of it. So I'm just going to, and everything looks clean. Everything looks like it's brand new and in original packing, so it's all good. All that will definitely sell. A lot more toothbrushes right here. And some clips, hair clips, and more of the insect stuff. And some more razors, and toothbrush. And this is something, oh, like a stopwatch, something, sports stopwatch. That's cool. And more of that lipstick, oh, nail polish. Ooh, these like original price. You can see that $7.99. That's like flossing stuff that floss picks or something. So everything is gonna sell super well. More of that beard cream. Yeah, and I see a couple of containers of that. So definitely some great items in here. More makeup, Maybelline mascara, and again, I have no idea what this thing is, but yep, I have more of those. Looks like they were marked at $7.99 in the store, so I have 4 of those. Oh, this was 13. Yeah, something like $7 after being 50% off. So if they sell for that much money, I'll be happy. I'll take that. Ooh, and more Mucinex. That's all gonna sell. And what do we have here? Ooh, Yogi tea. I know that sells well and is expensive. Oh, the stress relief kind, Kava. Yeah, we like that. I might keep one box for myself. Those are like $5 or even $6. And then we'll be done. And then I do sell a lot of handmade items, guys, so go ahead. If you haven't checked my store out, check it out. More fun Wix cold stuff. Not fun for the first person who gets it. Some soap. I know we're all looking for hand washing stuff right now. Some Dulcim. That will also reel myself foaming body wash. I've never tried that before. That's going to be a fun one to try out even. So I am definitely looking forward to making my $480 back on this and then some. All right, so for men, so lots of good stuff in here. Okay, I am going to end it. You can see the variety of items I got. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to learn from this experience. Thank you for stopping in and checking out my video.